How's it going, guys? So in this video we're going to be talking about how to use Steam Play to play Windows games. And Steam Play supports a lot of different stuff. So to start off, you're going to want to log into your Steam account. Now if we look here, we can see we have Linux games and we have a regular game library. So I have a pretty small disparity. There's like 100 games that aren't on Steam versus 173 that I own that are. So let's go ahead and set this up. So you're going to want to click on the Steam button here, click Settings, and then you want to go to Steam Play. Now, Steam Play is already enabled because of the new Steam update. When I wrote that article, Steam Play was not supported by anything but beta. So you can click this and you can enable it, and then we can go through and we can find a game that's enabled through Steam Play. So let's go ahead and find a Windows exclusive game that's on Steam Play. It's hard to find, honestly, because I have so many games. Okay, so there's Wolfenstein: The Old Blood, right? This is a Steam Play game. We've also got the same thing for let me see. This is really hard. There's so many games that I own. Here we go. Stalker: Shadow of Chernobyl. I can click install, and because the Steam Play app is working, I can click next, and I can set this to install and let it download. And it's a 3 GB download. I'm gonna let that go and we'll be right back. So now that our Steam game is done, because of Steam Play, we can just click the play button here. It's going to tell us that we're using a compatibility tool. We can click continue, click play, and it should go through, set it up in Wine, and get it going. So we just gotta wait for it to launch, and there we go, there's our game. And Steam Play is that simple. And we can play the game. I'm not gonna load it up right now, but as you can see, it is working, and we can exit. So that's how you get the officially sanctioned Steam Play games. And what I mean by officially sanctioned, I mean like games that the Steam developers who have worked with the video game makers to make sure that this works. But there's a little known feature that you can actually enable this setting for everything. So to do that, you can go back into the Steam settings, click enable Steam Play for all titles, and just click OK. It's going to tell you to restart Steam. You can go ahead and do that. And once Steam is restarted, it should start and load right back up. We can go, and now we can just click on Steam OS Linux. We see that all of our games are here, so we can go through and we can find any video game that we want to play on Steam. And here is PID. This is another Steam game. It wasn't officially supported with Steam Play, but now that we've got it, we can download it and install it. So I'm not going to start up PID right now. I just wanted to show you that yes, it does work with everything. The thing is that unsupported Steam Play titles aren't exactly the best thing ever. Like, some of them work, some of them don't. It really is a crapshoot. So please go ahead and check my link in the description. In that, I go over how you can check against the ProtonDB database. Lots of people submit tests and stuff like that to make sure that unsupported titles are working. You know, ones that developers haven't officially gone through and set up themselves. So if you are looking forward to playing your Linux games and your Steam games together in the same place, you can go ahead and do that with Steam Play. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am definitely excited about this technology going forward, and I hope that you are too. Anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video.